There we go. Looks really good. So it's right there. You had to cut this out? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Half on this.
Yeah, he's so at half on.
He's half on. He's slapping, man.
Them subs, they started out as
he will break your back, dude.
they started out as
so impressed
5
with the way the bass, the way it's flooding under that seat. You're gonna be so impressed, bro.
Those subs started out as 5 BTL 18.
Wild and loud, bro.
He got them for me.
We just started the show. I mean, our team.
Yep.
Wild and loud. Bro.
Really? Okay, Wild and Loud.
Yeah, those are pretty much fully custom systems. Top to bottom.
Yes, sir. Can I get a demo? All right.
Hey, March is my work truck.
That's all right.
My car ain't ready yet.
No? Okay.
Hey, it's dirty and everything.
It's all right. Can we get info real quick with the windows up?
Yeah.
All right. What's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Anthony and Team Wild and Loud. I got a bass clef 4K in the back, wired at a half ohm. 2 custom built Coriolis 15s. They're actually 5 triple stack motors, sundown baskets, and all different self part. I got 24 mids and highs, and I got 2 Crescendo S1s, 1 Crescendo S4. I got just a 250 high output alternator, all 0 gauge, and a run of 2 out to the back.
Okay.
And 3 3100s.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
Don't do much, but that's all right. Steady driver, driving to work every day.
Awesome. All right. Yes, sir.
It's a 2-to-1.
Okay.
It's 2-to-1.
Hey, how did you,
Okay, so I can show it to you real quick. You want me to fold the seat down?
Yeah, if you could do that. Yeah, I was just curious to see how it looks. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you. There we go. Looks really good. That's right there. You had to cut this out? On everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Anthony's system. Pretty impressive blow through system he had in his truck. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was around Tampa, Florida area for the location. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let him know what you like about his system, as well as give him a like. Did a really good job. I like the layout of his box as well as the blow through style he had. Optimal port area to play the low frequency response and the highs you'll see during the demo. Having his amplifier outside of the box mounted in a safe point where you don't have to deal with vibration and good airflow. If you notice the way he has his box laid out, looks like it slid right up to the back of his panels of his truck that he cut out with some subwoofer mount removes. So it's a fourth order enclosure with a sealed section where he's actually able to remove those back baffles to put the subwoofers in, either put them in or to work on it. I don't know how he had it mounted, but when I had that quick little view inside of the port, you can kind of see how he had it laid out with fully custom subs. And anybody working on a blow through, I always see people have issues with sealing it off. So if anybody has any suggestions on how to seal a blow through, let us know in the comments. Looking forward to kind of learning something new on that. So we're going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on JacobViral, and enjoy.
That's a flip my box.
I was talking to my partner the other day, and he was telling me about the struggle within himself and his demons. Then he told me the more that he started to understand his demons, the more that he started to love them. To Memphis to save my daughters. If I don't show up, then know something is wrong. That is just not right.
Okay.
It's 2 to 1.
Thank you. Hey, great to meet you, man. You too. You too.